a 10 kilogram block is suspended in the air by a rope which makes an angle of 10 degrees with the vertical. The block is held in place by a string which is horizontal. We have to calculate the tension in the rope and the tension in the string. So the first step in any mechanics problem is to draw a suitable diagram. So if we draw a block with a rope at 10 degrees to the vertical, we've got the tension in the rope going that way, and this is the string holding it in place, and obviously we've got the weight 10G acting downwards. Part A, if we resolve vertically, well, upwards we're going to have T1 cos of 10 degrees minus 10G is equal to 0, and if we make T1 the subject, that will be 10G over cos of 10, which is going to be 99.5 newtons. To find T2, part B, if we resolve horizontally, then we're going to have T2 minus T1 sine 10 degrees. We're going to have nothing from this because this is acting this way, so that's going to be equal to 0. Now we already have T1, we can put it in there, so we can say that T2 is going to be 99.51 sine of 10, which will give me 17.3 degrees. So this has been a video to show you how to solve a simple mechanics problem with a rope at an angle to the vertical. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.